All right, guys. So I came home, worked 12 hours, and my wife cooked. My wife know how to cook. Look, rice and peas, some curry goat, salad, and fried chicken. So I'm a pranker, right? I know she about to come down soon, cause you know when I'm close by, she put the food in the microwave for me. I'm a pranker. Act like the food don't taste good. What happened to this? What happened today?
What happened to it?
This don't taste like the food you usually cook.
Like what?
Your food usually tastes good. Now, what happened today? Let me see. Maybe it's
What
the
do you
first
mean
bite.
usually? Like, what do you mean?
The rice tastes like it's spoiled.
Well, it's not spoiled because everybody else eat it before you got home, and it was okay.
Nah, this ain't. Even the chicken tastes spoiled.
What do you mean?
I thought
What do you mean?
I know you can cook, but what happened today?
If you don't want it, you can let it stay. You can throw it in the trash because I don't know what you're talking about. Because everybody eating the food was okay.
Are they okay? You sure they up there? You sure they're alive up there?
Nobody else had a complaint about it.
Maybe they didn't want to make you feel bad.
So what are you saying?
It don't taste good. You ain't hear what I said? It tastes like it's spoiled.
You went to work and I cooked and prepared the food for you and everything, and you come in here telling me it doesn't taste good? You want me to get the trash can?
Please. Give me a bag first so I can spit this out my mouth.
Are you kidding me right now?
Mm-mm.
Okay, let me go get it.
Mm-mm. What happened? What happened today?
What do you mean what happened?
Usually you know how to cook. I know you know how to cook, but...
Babe, nothing is wrong with the food. You can throw it in here. It's okay. Throw it in here.
Hell no, I'm just joking.
Don't play with me, okay?
It tastes good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So why you be talking like that?
Mm-mm. It tastes good. Mm-hmm.
Are you recording?
Woo! What's up, baby girl? I can't touch you, baby. I gotta go take a shower first. Let that